And eventually you will make one bleed. So be prepared for that.
Mm-hmm.
As in have some styptic powder. And for these scissors, the only place I can find them for sale at is Pet Club.
Yeah.
I think I have those.
So,
Yeah, okay.
like the ones at Petco and PetSmart are usually much thicker, fatter, and harder to see the toes.
Oh.
So they're not too long, they're just
Sharp.
yeah.
Oh, he used to take care of that. Why do you think he has stopped doing that? Getting lazy?
And it could be vice versa. You could be sharpening them now because he's feeling better. As in they usually, if you look on the inside of the upper beak, there's like a file or a rasp. There's little grooves. So they actually will run their toenails, fingernails through there.
Uh-huh.
I guess they're toenails.
I must make this hard.
So you had it so far back there. Alright.
And I'm just holding underneath the chin, under the jaw. I'm not putting any pressure here.
Oh, yeah, no, he's okay with me. I don't need a towel or anything to
Okay.
hold him, yeah.
Yeah, but when you're trimming toenails, he might not like that. Okay. As in, most birds will resist the toenail trimming.
Mm-hmm.
So we usually do have to restrain them. And so she is essentially holding.
That's how I hold him to give him medication, yeah. Yeah.
Little guy.